Hi, my name is Raygen Crum, and this is my demonstration speech. These two things may look small, but they play a huge role in diabetes management. These two devices talk every 5 minutes without me doing anything. Today I will demonstrate how to properly apply a Dexcom G6 and an Omnipod 5 and explain how these devices work together to make diabetes management safer, easier, and more effective by continuously monitoring blood sugar levels, delivering insulin, and helping prevent dangerous highs and lows. Step 1 is preparing for application. Before applying either of these devices, preparation is key. First, you will need to gather all the supplies you will need. Alcohol wipes, insulin, your transmitter, your sensor, and your Omnipod. Next, we will choose the placement for each device. I will be putting both of these on my arm. We will now clean the site with an alcohol wipe. Proper preparation ensures the device to stick securely, function accurately, and reduce risk of infection. Once your supplies are ready and your skin is prepped, it is time to apply the Dexcom G6 sensor. Step 2, applying the Dexcom. To apply the Dexcom, you must remove it from the package, go back to your spot, peel the adhesive off, place it in the spot, and then press this orange button, and then it clicks. And then after that, we will grab our transmitter and slide it in until you hear it click. Dexcom takes 2 hours to warm up. After the warm up, it sends continuous glucose readings every 5 minutes to my phone. You always make sure your sensor is secure and positioned flat against the skin. A well-applied sensor ensures accurate readings and reduces the chance of infection or device failure. A Dexcom is a glucose monitor that tracks blood sugar levels throughout the day and night. Next, we'll get on my phone and go to the app and enter the code on the sticker. And then we'll hit start sensor and then the 2-hour warm-up. With the Dexcom in place, the next step is preparing the Omnipod. Before applying the pod, it needs to be filled with insulin. So we're turning on the Omnipod phone. Gonna open the Omnipod up. Take the needle out. Grab your vial. Take out some insulin. And then make sure you get all the air bubbles out. And then you can put it in right here till you hear beeping. Okay. And we're gonna hit next on the phone. And then it's communicating. You always want to make sure you never use expired insulin. Preparing the pod carefully prevents errors in insulin delivery and ensures the system works properly once applied. Now that the pod is filled and ready, it is the time to apply it to the body. Step 4 is applying the Omnipod. You crack this thing open, peel this off. You're gonna apply it to the arm. You want to make sure it's secure. Okay. You're gonna hit start. Once applied, the Omnipod can deliver continuously and communicate with Dexcom to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Proper placement ensures comfort, accuracy, and reliable insulin delivery. Now that both devices are applied and functioning, they work together to make diabetes management safer and easier. In conclusion, I demonstrated how to use the Dexcom G6 and Omnipod by showing each key step: preparing your supplies and cleaning your skin, applying the Dexcom, preparing your Omnipod by putting the insulin, and then applying the Omnipod on your skin. I showed you this demonstration so you could see how these devices work together to manage diabetes safer, easier, and more efficient. The main takeaway is that by following these steps carefully, everyone can use these devices effectively, helping people with diabetes stay in control of their blood sugar and live more confidently.